Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In order to hide apps from the home screen and the app drawer, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to home screen and then go there. And over here, choose hide apps on home and apps screens. And here we have the list of all apps that we have installed on our device. And we need to select apps that we want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna hide Netflix, and I have Facebook hidden already. I'm gonna also hide Spotify, and let's say that's it. After you are done, you can press simply done, and if you in the future want to remove the apps from the hidden section, then you can simply tap on the app in order to make it visible again. So let's press done. Let's go back to the home screen, and now as you can see, I am missing Netflix and Spotify. I don't have them on the other page as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.